Today is December 8th, and this is my 2-month review of having these Ashine bundles, deep Brazilian curly, sewn into my head for 2 months straight. Let's get into it. 4 bundles. I originally got the 2018-16 bundle deal on TikTok, and then I bought an extra 18-inch bundle. I just like to make sure I have enough hair, okay? And in my head, I only have 2 3/4 bundles in my head. First bundles, did it smell? Not really. No, not really when I smelled it. And there was no dye that really came out when I washed it as well. I cleansed and washed the bundles, and then I got my sew in. It took like 3 days for my bundles to dry. It says October 17th. Today is December 8th, so it's pretty much 2 months. Section here is all my leave out. This is all my leave out. And I have 4C hair. I think now she's considered heat trained. Well, for maintenance, I wash my weave out once a week, and I wash my hair with usually the Amika Cure collection. The Bread Clarifying Shampoo, I start using the Fenty Moisturizing Shampoo. That's really nice. And I do like a short little 5-minute mask. So usually the Amika Hydro Blast mask. Whatever works. Sometimes I use Sacred, sometimes I did not. Overall, throughout these 2 periods, I wash my full head with the sew-in like twice. These are my main gripes with these bundles. They mat. Every night I would grab a water bottle. I wouldn't douse it. I'll just like lightly spray it, tangle it, and put like a curling cream on there. And when she wasn't my normal girl for sew-in, she used 2 3/4 of the bundles. So I still have a bundle and like a little bit left. So I might use it for braids. I don't know. I personally think those would be good for a wig because I like to like actually get to the roots. Like I know the back is gonna nape, but like the back is really nape for this sew-in, and it's just like right now is maintaining pretty easily, detangling pretty easily, but like usually this is a good day. The Bask and Lather the hydration mist spray, and that's why it still has shine, but it feels dry. It feels wiry. So is this 100% human hair? I don't think so. I think it's like 90%, maybe 80% human hair and like a little bit synthetic blend, because I did try to blow dry this hair and straighten it just to have like a kinky, just have like a fluffy look. It will not do that. I blow dried this and then I try to flat iron it with my good flat iron. Like it won't flat iron, so you're just gonna keep it in the curly state, which is fine. I buy these bundles again, I don't know. It depends on my budget. If you are on a budget, these are decent bundles. You just gotta figure out what works for the bundles for you to keep it hydrated, because everybody else keeps saying, even my mom keeps saying like, your hair looks good. And I know it does look good. It looks pretty decent. 5 stars, I would give these bundles 3.5. They're not terrible. I've had way worse curly bundles, like in general. These are not bad for the budget, because I bought 4 bundles for less than $300. That's not bad. I don't think this is like quick weave worthy, because I don't see the point spending that much money on the quick weave personally. I don't get it. I get why people are buying raw hair for quick weaves. I don't get it. 4C hair. At first, it took a while for me to figure out how to make my leave out match, but I finally figured out it really is the products that you use for your hair. I have thick 4C hair, so you have to put that in mind for me, and I don't apply that much heat in the first place, and I think my hair is just getting used to it. As for me, for my leave out for this hairstyle is once a week, wash it, condition it, do the mask, everything. Good heat protectant, okay? I blow dry it. Then I do my flat iron with 1 pass, no more than that, just 1 single pass. And then sometimes, like I've been lazy, sometimes I just grab my hair and just twist it like tighter than this with the hair to like keep the pattern. Unwrap it in the morning and then it does the job. Or I use my curling rods. Lately, I've just been doing that. But yeah, out of 5 stars, I'll give 3.5 out of 5. The bundles came from California, so I don't know why people say I live in the Northeast. I don't live in California. It took a week each time for the bundles to get to my house. So expect like a week for it to come to your house if you don't live in California, because I saw people on TikTok say, I got it the next day. Lies. I got it a week later. I didn't dye the bundles. It's just naturally my hair color, but also I feel like my hairstylist could have done an extra bundle, because as you can see, kind of see through. But we live and we learn, you know? It wasn't my normal person for a sew-in, so yeah. That's my opinion on this sew-in. It's not bad, it's not terrible. You really gotta maintain it. I twisted my hair every night, every single night. Your hair will tangle, it will mat. It really depends on what products you use. And I used the basket lather, and I used like a hydrating oil on top of that. People say Aussie works. It didn't work for me. It made my hair more dry. Maybe that's where I messed up, because once I started putting the Aussie in my hair, she started getting a little bit wiry. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you guys whenever I decide to post again, and it'll probably be another hairstyle review. Bye.